Alright, so in my last video about celebrity face swap videos, most of you guys were wondering how we can create these videos for absolutely free. Because in this video, I show you the process which uses Higgsfield, and you guys know Higgsfield isn't cheap. They charge you at least $50 for their first subscription, you guys, right? So in this video, I found out the perfect tool for you in which you can go ahead and create these kind of videos for absolutely free without subscription, without paying a single dollar. So yeah, without further ado, you guys, let's just go ahead and jump right into it. All right, so in this video, we're gonna go ahead and recreate these kid face swap videos. So this video would be our reference one. So first of all, I'm gonna go ahead and download this. All right, so after downloading this video, so the first step is we need to go ahead and create an image of our face swap character with this kid, like with this person, right? So we're gonna go ahead and start by taking a screenshot of this kid right over here. And the next thing is we're going to go inside of Gemini. First of all, copy paste your image of that kid right over here. And the next thing is we're going to choose the character that we want to face swap, right? So it can be any character of your choice. Like you can choose any footballer, any celebrity, anyone you like. And for this particular reference video, I prefer you take your own video, record yourself from phone camera and basically upload that video so that you get pretty accurate and pretty good movement and good results at the end. Okay, and the next thing is I'm gonna come inside of Pinterest, select over here Cristiano Ronaldo. So we'll be face swapping Cristiano Ronaldo's face inside of that. So I'm gonna go ahead and copy this image again, come to Google Gemini and simply paste it right over here. And then for the prompt, I'm going to go ahead and simply type this prompt. So this prompt, I'm going to provide you down in the description so that you can use that as well without any problem. So the prompt says, replace the first image with the person in the second image. Keep image one background lighting, everything as it is. Just change the person in image one to image two. Keep all the characteristics of image one. Just change the person with same expression and everything. And then I'm going to click on submit. And then it's going to take some time to generate your image. All right, so after some time, your image is ready. And take a look at this, right? This was our reference image. And for that, it provided us with this output, which looks really, really good. And the face swap turned out perfectly, you guys, right? So from here, I'm simply going to go ahead and download this image. All right, so the next step for motion control, so now instead of Higgsfield, we'll be using Figma Weave, which lets you use Kling motion control for absolutely free without paying any money. It gives you free credits through which you can create like 3-4 videos without paying any money, and you can use multiple accounts to generate that. So first of all, I'm gonna go ahead and start by signing in. Okay, so now we are inside the homepage of Figma Weave, and then we're gonna start by creating new file. Okay, so this is going to provide you a plain black canvas in which you can see now we have 150 credits, and we're going to go ahead and start by creating a workflow for our motion control. So you're going to go to this quick access button, start by importing. So I'm going to import my first tab right over here, second tab right over here, and then after that you need to go ahead and import your model, like import any model, which can be Kling, which can be any motion control. So for importing your model, I'm gonna go to Fal AI website and search over here Kling motion control. I'm gonna search that on Google, click on the first link. Okay, so from here I'm gonna simply copy the link of Fal AI website, come back to Figma Weave, and from here I'm gonna do right click and select import model, and over here is saying me to paste replicate.com link, Fal AI link, or any link that you want to import your model of. So I'm gonna go ahead and simply copy paste that link right over here, you guys, right? It's really that simple. So from here, first of all, we're gonna go ahead and start by uploading the image that we just created from Gemini of Cristiano Ronaldo face swapped, which was this one. And in the next file, in the next tab, we have to upload our reference video that we want to do the face swap of. Okay, so that video was of that kid, which was this. But again, you guys, I suggest you use your own video with true motion and everything so that your video looks more realistic, right? And after that, what you need to do is you need to simply combine all of these strings together to create a successful workflow. So green would go with green and red would go with red. And then after that, you need to click on this model, and then you have to tweak just a little bit of settings So first of all, you need to make sure your corrector orientation is selected to video, and then simply that's it. You need to click on run model like that, okay? And then it's going to take around only a minute or 2 minutes to create a generation. All right, so after some time your video would be done, and this is how your video looks like take a look at this. So yeah, the motion and everything turned out absolutely perfectly. Just there was kind of a face drift. That was because I used this video. Like, you can see in this video, this was a reference video where instantly the boy face changed to Billie Eilish. That's why, it had some problem. But I suggest, you use your own videos so the frames are consistent and everything. So you get pretty accurate results, you guys, right? And the next example I did is of Zayn Malik. So the steps were pretty much similar. I went to Gemini, and this time instead of Cristiano Ronaldo image, I imported Zayn Malik's image, and then I got this image, and then I used the same image, same workflow and everything to create this kind of videos. So take a look at this. Okay, so for my third example, I basically changed the reference video to this smooth video of Iman Ghazi because this was a really consistent, like a static frame kind of video. So I used this video and I put it inside of this workflow, and then I created this image with the same step that I did earlier. I uploaded Iman Ghazi's image, then Zayn Malik's image, and then basically copy pasted my same prompt and got this. And then with the help of this image and now my reference video, I was able to generate this output.
But as I said, in life, you will not be able to go far unless you have insider knowledge. And this knowledge is behind a wall. And that wall means that you either have to pay to...
And yeah, you guys can see this now looks absolutely perfect. There's like very slight face drift. So you can go ahead and try it again and again to get pretty much accurate results that you want, you guys, okay? So yeah, there you have it, guys. This was the easiest and the free method. You can go ahead and now create those celebrity face swap videos for absolutely free without paying a single dollar, without using Higgsfield. So yeah, that's it for today's video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you have any questions, comment down below. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.